If you have a packet of hot chocolate mix, you can make this mug cake. Let me show you how. Just dump your hot chocolate mix into a mug, along with some flour, some baking powder, and a little bit of salt. Just mix that up with a fork and make sure it's nice and evenly combined. And once it's all mixed well, you can add in your wet ingredients, which are melted butter, milk, and some vanilla extract. Then just mix it up until it's nice and smooth. And then I like to add in some dark chocolate chips to get a little melty chocolate goodness right in the middle of the cake. Pop it in the microwave for a minute, and here you go. You have a delicious single-serve chocolate cake with that delicious melty chocolate in the middle from the chocolate chips. It's so perfect. The way my sweet tooth is set up, I need to have something sweet at a moment's notice, and this mug cake is perfect for that. Top it with some mini marshmallows, some whipped cream, or like I did, both. And this will be your new favorite single-serve dessert, I promise. Get the recipe at ShanaeToday.com and follow me for more of my favorite sweet treats. Enjoy!